Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to scan on Toaboa's account, how to use the scan icon to fill a product. Either you have a product in your house and you want to buy it, you didn't have the pictures. The next thing for you to do is to scan the pictures on Toaboa's app. So you'll be using this camera icon to scan. So you wait for it to load. After it has loaded, you also come here. You press this button. After you press this button that I cycle, just like you wanted to snap a picture. So the next thing, I will also be using this torchlight to scan the product. I'll also be using this torchlight. This will serve as a product I want to scan. So I'll wait for it to. So I'll press it. After I press it, so I'll also wait for it to load. So immediately that I loaded, it will bring the different type of torchlights that is on Toaboa's account. So this is how to scan on Toaboa's account. If these, and also this way I will be ending this video. If you are just coming to my channel, subbing to this channel won't be a bad idea. Also, if you want to see more video of this, make sure you like and click on the subscribe button below. So my name is Lukman. This is digital importation. Thank you.